What's going on YouTube? I don't normally make videos like this, but I wanted to show off my King Jim Portabook. It's really weird and really cool, and I wanted to show it off to the internet before this battery inevitably dies. There's not a lot of videos on this thing that exist out there, so it's one of those things that I just really want to document and just kind of like show off to people. It's the King Jim Portabook. It is a weird Japanese-only word processing themed computer where it is an 8-inch laptop with a full 10-inch keyboard. That's like really cool. IBM did the thing with the butterfly keyboard, and then this thing shows up in 2015. Another interesting point is that in Japan, they sell dedicated word processing units, meaning that like it is just a dedicated, like a typewriter, but it's just for text documents. That's what this technically is, but it's also a full Windows 10 computer with a fun little hat trick. And here it is. Now, the King Jim itself isn't super special. The most special part about it really is this keyboard. The most interesting part about this is the fact that it's a 10-inch keyboard on an 8-inch computer. It makes it attractive for those who are just trying to get into word processing or just kind of like type up documents, but other than that, you're not really going to be running anything important on this computer. It may be running Windows 10, but you're still going to be limited just based on the amount of RAM and the CPU this thing has. It's pretty clear that this laptop was tailored for word processing and nothing more. The 10-inch keyboard on an 8-inch form factor is really cool and is aesthetically pleasing. However, when it actually comes down to brass tacks, this laptop is pretty fucking useless at the end of the day. There's really not much you can do on it. The software is not going to run well at 2 gigs of RAM and a 1.6 gigahertz Intel Atom. But you know, hey, the coolness factor is there for the keyboard alone, and that's why I love this thing, and that's why it's in my collection. So thank you for joining me today and seeing the King Jim Portabook. Stop by next time and I might make another video?